What's going on, guys? Kyle here from Guidewise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail to Lindy AI. Once you're in Lindy AI, go into Settings in the left column, then select Connections. In the top right corner, you will see Add Integration with a blue background. You can then look for Gmail. If you do not see it, you can then type it in the search bar. So when you find Gmail, simply select it. Then you can choose what you would like to connect. You can individually select items or select all, and then click Add a Team. Then click Connect. Then you'll be prompted to sign into your account. Select all and then continue. And you can now see that my Google and Gmail is connected to Lindy AI. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Guidewise.